It might be December, but there are holiday haunts happening across the country. Tonight, we're in Medford, Oregon to visit 2 different haunted houses. We're gonna visit the Nightmare Chamber and Nightmares on the Road.
And welcome to Santa's coal mine. I know what you're thinking. Ooh, the Grinch, I want a photo with him. Too bad! Alright, here we go. Before we begin, I got 3 rules. Rule number 1, do not touch the elves and the elves won't touch you. Usually. Oh, I'm just kidding. Rule number 2, if you need to exit, follow them light up exit signs, take a left. Rule number 3, there's no flash photography, videography of any kind. Now, ooh. If you see that Sally, tell her Jack is half the man I am and for her to give me a call. Alright, are you ready? You're all doomed. This way. Watch your step. Alright, have fun. See you never. Ooh.
Hi, hello. I'm Lily Pepperminton. I'm gonna be your tour guide tonight, and I'm gonna take you guys down to Santa's haunted coal mine. But before we get down there, I have a question. Have you been naughty or nice? I hope it's naughty!
You're not part of the rebellion. Get out of there. Come on. Come on. You gotta go in Santa's coal mine and save Santa, or all the kids are gonna get coal for Christmas. Let's go. Santa! You're not Santa. What are you doing here? Are you here to see Santa? Well, follow me, follow me. I'm Buddy, by the way. All right, just go down there, all right? I'll sing you a song while you go, all right? I'm singing, I'm walking next to you, and I'm singing.
Buddy, you don't belong down here.
And now I'm here, and I'm singing!
My Jack! You killed him! You killed my Jack! He's gone! My Jack is gone! You killed him! He's gone!
You don't belong down here. You're not an elf. You need to get out of here. Get out of here. Ah! Only elves allowed. Keep going. Keep going. Get out of our toy shop. Get him, nuts. Get him.
Brought me anything. Anything at all. I deserve it. I promise. I deserve it. I swear I do. I'm not naughty like they say. I really deserve it. I do.
Who goes there? Oh, finally, some new recruits. All right, are you ready to save Santa? We'll be moving into the red zone, so let's follow up. All right, shots fired. Move, move.
Have you seen him? St. Nicholas, my poor husband. The elves took him. Yes, I just don't know where he's at. Here, come over here and let's take a picture. We're going to try and summon the spirit of St. Nicholas. Yes, so on the count of 3, yell Santa. 1, 2, 3! Santa!
Come on in, come on in. Before he gets back, you guys, this giant elf shows up at the North Pole, says his name's Rufus or something, Buddy's helper, right? Next thing I know, I'm kidnapped. I'm told I'm supposed to be Christmas dinner and forced to sit here and watch, as he calls it, all the appetizers walk by. So, good luck, and if you make it out, Elf11 on the Elf app, tell him where I'm at, please. But that way's the way out if you make it. Good luck.
Come on in, come on in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Rufus, and I am the head of my household, and I have a huge family to provide for. That's where you come in. Because every year we invite unfortunate people into our home. We let them run around inside our underground lair, where we then hunt them for sport and for food. So you might say we've invited you all over for Christmas dinner. And as you can see, we like to decorate our homestead just like every other family around the holidays. We even have snow, except ours is asbestos. Asbestos time of the year. Come on in. Meet the family now. Oh, I gotta meet my sister. She likes hanging around a little bit. Hey, did you hear that? Did you hear that? That's the dinner bell. You're on your own.
Well, maybe you should get one up with this.
I told you to go back to your room now. No. You are being punished.
No, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I know, but you ate our last guest now. Come
No.
on.
No, that's not fair.
I will eat you myself.
I haven't eaten.
Well, all right, have that one there. Oh. Save me a leg on that turkey. Surprise!
Final offer. Would you guys like some?
Do you want to stay for Christmas dinner? Come on, will you please stay for dinner with me? Please.
Okay, final offer. Are you sure you don't want any? Mommy, you mom made it. You sure?
Hey there, loser! Loserville just called. They want their mayor back. Why the chicken cross the road? To get to Loser's house. Knock, knock. The chicken. All right, bye, losers. Bye. loser.
Now, how would you like to be prepared? I was thinking a little nutmeg, a little drizzle of blood, maybe some Hollandaise sauce. We can take your liver and cut it up into perfect slices. Mother will truly love it. Oh, yummy Christmas treat for all. And soon, there with her, all tied up, ready to consume the perfect Christmas dinner. Now the Christmas decorations are absolutely the most important. We can take your eyeballs hanging from the chimney with care. Oh, and surely you'll stay all the way till New Year's. Mother loves rotting corpse meat. It'll be so wonderful.